Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be trying a few new things with this slime. And I also added some yellow paint, so now it's kind of like this light green, tealish color. So, guess I'm chewing gum if you're wondering. And so the first thing I'm gonna try is I'm gonna stand up and ready? This. And then try to make a bubble. Oh, it's a small one. A very small one. I didn't think this would work. I've thought of these things before the video, but I actually didn't test them out. So, good thing they're working so far. Okay, the next thing is this, I guess. Okay. So I'm gonna spread it out. Oh, that was so fun. I thought that would make a bubble. I'm gonna try that one more time. It did for a second. Okay, the fridge had broccoli in it and now it stinks because my dad just opened the fridge. Okay, I'm going to try that one more time. This time I hope it works. Okay, that is bad. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to try that at the end of the video. Next I'll do... okay. I'm going to try... going forwards this time. Made a small bubble. Popped easily. Popped like right away. It made 3 bubbles. Okay. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, guys, I thought of one more thing, and what it is, I'll show you right now. I'm just gonna grab a little. Well, this isn't really new, it's normal, but this part is. Oh, it's cool. Then I'm gonna do this and then. So crunchy. I've thought of that while I was paused, and it worked. Okay, so now I will just be playing with it for a minute. Okay. So that was the slime. This has been on a few of my videos, but just not this color. And you could go check those out. And yeah, I'll see you. Wait, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video. And see you guys next time. Bye.